In this video, I'll be taking you to the University of Karachi to collect my master's degree in international relation. So guys, I got my degree as you all can see and I'm so excited. After that, my husband had taken us to KFC to try the new Korean Zinger burger. Hi everyone, welcome to my another vlog. I hope you all are doing good by the grace of Almighty God. So guys, today the big day has arrived. Today I am going to the Karachi University to receive my degree. Since you all know, since I have mentioned in one of my vlog that I have done my masters in international relation, and I have got the mark sheets, but I haven't received my degree. So today I will be going to the university, to the IR department to get my degree. So I am going to take the video of everything and make this video a memorable memorable video, because memories always stay forever, and this is a big achievement for me and for my family, especially for my husband, who has always been a support system for me, who has always helped me a lot in everything, especially in my education. After getting married to him, he gave me permission to complete my studies, and due to his support and help, I have completed my masters in IR, that's international relation. And so today is a big day. I am going to collect my degree, so I'm going to take you guys with me, so stay tuned. Okay, so now we are leaving for the university. So guys, we have started our journey by the grace of Almighty God, and it's a very beautiful sunny day today, and it's also very beautiful day today because I am going to collect my degree from the University of Karachi. So we'll take you with me to the university and we'll tell you about my journey, that how much hardship I went through doing my masters, and the support of my husband was always with me, and due to his support I've completed my masters in 2 years by the grace of Almighty God with a very good marks. It was a very beautiful a moment when I received my mark sheet, and when I got to know that I got first division. And it's very hard to get first division in masters when you're doing your masters. So I'm very, very happy by the grace of Almighty God. During my journey of masters, there are a lot of people who I wanting to thanks, because I had got a lot of support when I was doing my masters. My mother, father support. My mother would cook food for me when I was studying, almost like 2-3 months she cooked food for me, and she would send daily for my husband and for my son, because I wasn't finding time to cook and then study. So she would cook food for me and she would send. And then my in-laws, my father-in-law, he would make some notes for me, and and he himself have done masters, so he helped me to find out which are the important questions for the exams, and also he also helped me a lot. And secondly, a lot of people, I mean, and then my support, my backbone, my husband Austin. Without him, I think that I wouldn't be in here, because he had always helped me in everything that I do. Like even doing my masters also, he helped me a lot. After coming from work, he would take care of Arthur, because Arthur was very small when I was giving my exam. My first year of exam, when I gave, Arthur was in my stomach, and I would go to give my exam, and that was a very difficult moment for me, because I had to walk a lot, and I was in my 7th month. So that also, he supported me a lot. And after that, then the second year when I gave my exam, then then when I gave my exam, during my exam, Austin would take care of Arthur. he took off from work and then he would take care of Arthur, and I would go for my exams and all. So there are a lot of people who really contributed for this master's degree that I've received, and I'm very grateful and thankful for all these people who really contributed a lot. And I would also give a big thanks to my husband Austin for everything that he did for me. Okay guys, so we have reached to our destination. We have reached to Karachi University. Okay guys, so now we have reached to the inside the University of Karachi to collect my degree, and I'm so excited to to get my degree and hold it in my hand. So now we are going to the counter department to ask for my degree. So they've said that I have to submit certain documents to the bank, mark sheet and the university card. So we submitted the documents in the bank and we have paid some charges. So now you can see my degrees in my hand. I've done my master's in international relations. So I got it after a very long time. I'm so happy. My hard work has paid off. So I got my degree and I'm so happy. So now we are going home with my degree. Thank you Austin for the hard work and for the love that you showed during this whole process of my masters. It was a very you can say a very difficult time for me, because when I did my first year my exams, Arthur was in my stomach. I was expecting, and it was my
I think you were 7 months pregnant or 6 months?
7 to 8 months, between 7 to 8 months. And I would come for my exams, and the car would be parked over there and had to walk a lot to the examination hall. But
so how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling so good by Seema and all. I'm so happy. Very, very happy. All thanks to Almighty God. So guys, I got my degree and I'm so happy by the grace of Almighty God. So today I will be going home with I'm going home with my degree, my hard work and my husband's hard work, and my son Arthur's also hard work. And Arthur has always been very lucky for me by the grace of Almighty God. My husband Austin has always been very lucky, supportive and all. I'm very blessed to have these two people in my life. So now I'm going home with my degree. I'm going to be very, very happy. So I will definitely going to ask Austin the treat, that what treat he's going to give me and Arthur.
Whatever you like, whatever you want, because this is a very big achievement. I know that studying after marriage is very difficult, and most people actually give up their education after they get married. But you are a very, I should say, a brave person who, despite having to take care of the child and of me, of the whole house that you run, you were studying, making notes when you used to come back from home. I know how exhausted you used to be from studying the whole day, managing Arthur, and you had no tutoring, no nothing. You made the whole preparation yourself. And so it's also a great honor for me to know that my wife has completed her master's program, and for the whole family, for the whole community. And I wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you so much. So see you at home now. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so now we are going home, but before that, I was feeling really hungry, and even Arthur was feeling very hungry because it was afternoon already and it was lunch time. So we decided to come to KFC to try the new Korean Zinger Burger. So we are very excited to taste.
Excellent. I think the normal zinger that KFC has, they've added this special sauce. It is very delicious. Personally, I think this Korean zinger is better than KFC's normal zinger. Much tastier. You should also try it.
Wow. Arthur, how's your ice cream? The burger size is bigger than Arthur's mouth. Guys, this is the packing of the Korean Zinger. Guys, we tried the burger. The burger was very, very delicious. We really loved it. We really liked the sauce, in the burger. So it was very nice. It was very delicious. So now we are going home.
See, it's nice.
So see you in our next vlog.